Now student, here I am trying a flowchart which will find out the sum like last time I did, but we have to find out the sum in reverse order, that is 12 to 5. So when I will find out the sum will be done how? Now 12 plus 11 plus 10 plus 8. After 10 plus 8, because 9 has to not included in the sum. Okay, so here how many decision we need to take? How many decision box we need to take? We have to take two decision boxes, one for continuing the loop and one for accepting 9, means not including 9. Okay, let's start the flowchart. Now let's take the input box, parallelogram box, where we can write n equal to 12 as the number is starting with, as the question is starting given that it starts with what? It starts with 12. So thereafter we can write s equal to 0, s equal to 0. That is, sum always to be started from 0, students. Why? Now before calculating anything, there should not be any value in the sum. Otherwise your answer won't be correct. Answer won't be correct. After we got this, what to do? What to do? Previously we used to find out the sum first. In previous flowchart, if you have remember, I used to do here sum equal to sum plus n, means s equal to s plus n. But in this case, there is a condition. Before finding out the sum, we have to keep a condition here, as 9 should not be included. So we have to write here is n equal to 9. Is n equal to 9? Let's keep it within bracket. It looks nice. Is n equal to 9? So there will be yes and there will be no. Obviously, every decision box has yes and no. So if it is yes, okay, if it is yes, then what to do? If it is 9, then we need not to sum. We need not to find out the sum of it. If it is yes, sorry, if it is no, then we need to find out the sum. So let's take a processing box where we can write s equal to s plus n, s equal to s is s equal to plus n. So in this case, what I'm doing now, I'm just taking the sum of s, sum of n in s. Fine. So this will be which arrow then? If it is no, not equal to 9, then only it will be, the sum will be taken. So what color we have to keep for that? We decided that red color. So red color will be there. Understood? If it means if n equal to 9, it is asking. If it is no, then only the sum will be finded out. Okay. Thereafter we have to continue the loop. So for continuing the loop, we need one more processing box, and here we have to write n equal to n plus minus 1. N is minus 1. Why? Because our flowchart is saying that you have to continue from 12 till 5. So n equal to n minus 1. Okay, let's join that also. And this has to be which color? Black. Okay. Now this one let's solve. If n is equal to 5, if n is equal to 5, yes. So yes means what will do? It will skip this line. It will skip this line, means it will come like this. Okay. So let's do fine, clear. So this is how we can specify the value of what? We can specify the line to yes part, that is to processing box. So it means if or is n is 9, is the value of n is 9, it's not to be included in the sum. So it will skip, it will jump, and it will come to n equal to n minus 1. If it is no, it is asking of 9, it is not 9, then it will come here and will find out the sum, then it will go in normal processing mode. Fine students, hope all of you understood. Now we have to take one more decision box, that has to be for what? For final, like to check whether our job is done or not. So is n greater than equal to what? 5, as we have to continue till 5, as we have to continue till 5. So is n greater than equal to 5? We need to ask. So there will be again yes and no. Okay. So let's do yes. Yes means what it will do? It will continue the job from the beginning. It will continue the job from the beginning. From the beginning in the sense from the place I sent. See, it is continuing from here. Otherwise, what it will do? Now it will, I forget to draw one line here. Just let's make it and make it black color. Otherwise, what it will do? Now it will print the value of S. It will print the value of S like last program also we did. Here in this kind of program in sum, you can notice that always the display statement is staying outside the loop. Okay, outside the loop. See, I pointed out here. Then I can make it to red. Apply. Fine. Hope all of you understood the thing. Okay, it's not coming. Okay. Thereafter, what we have to do, students? We have to stop the flowchart. So stop. Writing stop. I have to join the display line to whom? To stop. Okay, and that has to be black color. So this is what the flowchart is. So let me explain it from the beginning. N the value is 12 as we are starting, or the question is given from 12 to 5. Then S is 0, always in the flowchart where you are finding out the sum or product. You have to take the S value as 0 in case of sum, and in case of product you have to keep the value as 1. Fine. Then going down here, I am checking whether the value of N is 9 or not, because 9 should not get included. Okay, so if it is 9, then we have to skip, we have to do minus. If it is 9, it will do minus, means 8 will come. Okay, if it is not 9, then it will find out the sum. It means in this way it will travel more than this, because here only once it will travel. If it is 9, then only it will travel this way, otherwise it will travel this way. So this is the way mostly it will travel. Okay, so if it is 9 or not 9, but both the case it is going through n equal to n minus 1, because it has to go down, it has to continue the loop. At last we did, is n greater than equal to 5? If it is more than or equal to 5, then we will go up to do the job. Otherwise, we have to display the value of S. It means our job is over. So we have to display the value of S, as well as we have to stop the flowchart. Okay, students, hope all of you understood the thing. Concept of sum. Here we two things we tried. One is making the sum downward, as well as except also we learn.